So today is September the 3rd, 2020, and today is a massive day for the opening of Disneyland over in Anaheim, California. Cast members have been seen at the entrance to DCA, so we're going to jump right in and have a look at it right now. So if you've been following the channel for a while, you would have known we've been following closely to when Disneyland will reopen back up. And in July, it looked like it would be opening on the 17th. Then plans got put all to one side when California and the rest of the United States had the spike in coronavirus. But today, we are seeing a lot of positive news that can show that Disneyland looks like it's about to open up. So a few months ago, California's Governor Gavin Newsom ordered several counties, including Orange and Los Angeles, to close all its indoor family entertainment places and stopped Disneyland from reopening back up. But with everything that is going on at the moment and there being a downward trend in cases, it looks like we are about to see at least one of the Disneyland theme parks open back up. As we quite can clearly see recently, Downtown Disney has been open and has been allowing restaurants and some shops to operate as normal, but with the parks and hotels closed, we have been asking, when will it reopen? Based on Orange County's data timeline, the earliest that Disneyland could have theoretically opened up with a 25% capacity for indoor and outdoor attractions would have meant it would open on September the 8th of 2020. However, with Disney being a massive part of the state economy, mutual agreements has to be met between Disney and the state before the park can reopen. The first key indication we needed to see if Disneyland was about to reopen back up was for the callback of employees to undergo training as the park ramps up its operations. Realistically, that needs to be a 2 to 3 week time period for the staff to be trained in the new social distancing measures. Thanks to a post on Reddit, we can now see that over at California Adventure, cast members have now been spotted at the entranceway, where perspex screens have now also been fitted, ready for ticket access. We can see that cast members will be fully masked what looks behind wraparound acrylic glass, which will protect them from both guests and other cast members. This will be a small addition and a smart way from just having a flat piece of plastic at the front of them. The Disneyland Resort is now accepting reservations for October and beyond, which is a very key indication to see that these theme parks are about to reopen back up. Other indications that are showing that Disneyland is about to reopen back up is on the Disneyland's official website, as well as the Disneyland app that now show where hand washing stations and hand sanitizer dispensers will be located both at the Disneyland Park and at Disney's California Adventure. As always, I am wanting to bring you up to date with news as we have it. Yes, we have not had that official opening day of recording of this video on the 3rd of September, but it's like that at any point we are going to hear about when the theme parks will open back up. So I want to keep you very much in the loop of where we are at with things and any slightest smallest changements we can be seeing, even if it's through little guideline changes as well. With that being said, I want to thank you very much for watching. I want to leave you guys with one question. What date are you predicting that it's going to open back up, and which park? Thank you very much for watching, guys. Really hope you enjoyed the video. Please smash that like button and subscribe if you not already have to, and I'll see you all in the next video. See you later.